I'm Stacy Conkle with the Beautiful Day Cleaning of Northwest Arkansas. We partner with Cleaning for a Reason, the nonprofit organization that connects cleaning companies like ours with patients that are undergoing cancer treatment. And we do this for a few reasons. One, it gives us an opportunity to do something bigger than ourselves, something more than the bottom line. But also, I truly believe that companies have a moral obligation to give back to the community they operate in. And maybe more importantly, a cancer diagnosis is a hard hit to the family. And as they say, the home is where the heart is. Well, when the heart's breaking, the home can break down too. And Cleaning for a Reason gives us an opportunity to reach out a helping hand and be a resource at a time that might be the most challenging a family will ever experience. If you or someone you know could benefit from a resource like this, use the link in this post to apply. You can apply for yourself or someone you know. It's very easy and it's at no cost to you.